طلبنا. I'm Kunatani. You're watching Fijian's channel. Soy sauce, and then add the garlic. Mix it. See the bull of the cows. Add a little bit of sugar in it. Wilo mak. Sebentar lagi gue ngobrol di urus sama bull of the cow. Let it cook and just stir it around, just like in the movie. And it. And then add water. What? Add the potatoes. And then you add the flour. Mix the flour with water and then you add it. And when you put the flour, make sure you stir, you know. After that, you add the vegetables. You can put the tomatoes, the celery, the carrot. Yeah. Off the fire. And then you put the coriander. Coriander kemana were? Yeah. Damn, Daniel.
Daniel Gagai.
Save go over on a chow.
Ifriki.
Far out.